Hey, what's up? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. Today, it's a 2015 Roush RS3 Mustang. I will tell you, of the cars this week, I really love the color scheme on this. We have the RS3 supercharged factory Roush Mustang manual transmission, and it came in for a bullet brake upgrade. But you know what we did while it was here? We also installed a set of long tube headers and a phase 2 upgrade. So the phase 2 Roush supercharger upgrade is rated at 727 flywheel horsepower. So if you have basically a phase 1 kit on your Roush Mustang or you have one on your GT, this is a really easy way to achieve a lot more power. So stick around, check out. We're going to watch a dyno pull. It lays down well over 600 real horsepower, over 500 real torque. So if you haven't, please subscribe and notify us, stay up to date. But Doug, let's go check out the engine compartment. So Roush has made superchargers for a long time. It's one of my favorite superchargers. I have one on my 19 GT. I've ran them on a lot of my different Mustangs. But Doug, let's go down and take a look. So on the 15 to 17, it's still a 2.3 liter supercharger. Of course, it's intercooled. When you buy the phase 2 upgrade, it's a new calibration as well as a fuel pump upgrade. Like I said, we also installed a set of long tube headers. Oh, Doug, do take a look at this right here. We do have on the JLT oil separator, which is a direct install. So basically you buy this, it's really easy to install, comes with instructions. It's a really good way to prevent oil from going in your supercharger, because what happens when oil goes in your supercharger, deteriorates your octane, and that's not what you want to happen on your supercharged Mustang. So again, manual transmission, 93 octane. We have the Roush 2300 supercharger, the phase 2 kit, long tube headers. Check out this dyno pull. All right, I love these numbers. We're going to check them out, but in a minute, I want to go look again at the car and try to show you the bullet brakes. It's going to be kind of hard to see with the wheel on it, but here we have it. These are awesome. 639 row horsepower Dynojet SAE. We peaked out at 6,600 RPM. Basically, that's because we hit the factory speed limiter, so we couldn't go all the way up to 7,000. Torque, stellar. 560 row torque, peaking at 4,700. And at 3,000 RPM, right here, we're already over 500 torque to the tires. Doug, check this out, boost 10 PSI. So a lot of you wonder, how much boost is this kit? Well, 10 pounds, make really, really good power with this. I love it. So we have a Roush RS3. Hey, something else, you wonder, hey, what's this cost to get built? Simply email quote@brenspeed.com, and do check that description, because I will put links to all these parts we talked about, because you might have more questions. But the bullet brakes, so you get front and rear calipers. They're Brembos. They're factory on the 18 and 19 bullet. They're 6 piston, so you get the gloss red. You get new front and rear rotors as well as calipers, but that's it right there. Factory production on the 18 and 19 bullet. They do fit 15 to 21 GTs. They won't fit the EcoBoost wheel, so if you have a factory GT with the factory wheels on the car, these will clear that on the 15 to 21. But if you have aftermarket wheels, you want to check the website to see if they'll maybe fit the offset you have, because you know you have to have the proper clearance for the big badass 6-piston Brembo. So hey, I'm Brent from Brenspeed. Just really want to show you this car. I love the color of it. If you have any questions, leave a comment. We'd be happy to answer. Subscribe and notify, and thanks for watching.